The Penang South Islands is planned as a smart city at the global forefront of addressing climate change, enhancing biodiversity, lowering carbon emissions, and future-proofing the region. The three man-made islands are underpinned by principles of sustainable design and coexistence with nature, whilst embracing new global ESG standards. This 4,500-acre mixed-use development comprises smart technology parks, global business campuses, tourism hotspots, recreational areas, and residential havens. Penang South Islands is 5G enabled and is envisioned to be a game changer for the region, attracting the next generation of industries targeting IR 4.0. Penang South Islands is also targeted to be carbon neutral by 2035. Penang South Island's sustainable development begins with land reclamation. Long before the start of the reclamation works, key studies have been carried out to assess all aspects of development, identifying measures to ensure protection of the environment. This includes impacts on nearby fishing communities and marine life they depend on. A rigorous environmental management plan ensures the reclamation site and its environs are well protected throughout the reclamation. Great care will be taken to ensure that overall condition of the seabed will be maintained. Silk curtains will be installed to demarcate the work area and act as screens to trap sediments and reduce turbidity during construction. Containment bunds, which act like dikes, are built around the reclamation to stabilize the ground and work together with the silk curtains as physical barriers to block the fine material from dispersing into the surrounding areas during the sand filling process. This is followed by sand rehandling, where sand is transported by smaller boats for sand filling. Sand filling is then carried out in a measured and controlled manner within the contained area. Turbidity monitoring devices are placed on site to provide continuous and real-time monitoring, allowing remedial works to be immediately carried out should the level of turbidity exceed the permissible level. After reclamation, the reclaimed land will be treated to ensure stability for future topside development. Prefabricated vertical drains are installed to draw excess water to meet certain requirements. They will be driven to the correct depth with the correct pressure. Once PVD installation is completed, a new surcharge layer of loading is applied. PVDs drain excess water, significantly reducing settlement time and simultaneously to harden the foundation. The shoreline of the islands will support a diverse mix of microhabitats with ecological features designed specifically to promote biodiversity, nature, and ecotourism. One of the initiatives already underway is the advanced mangrove reforestation to create nurseries that provide mangrove saplings for coastal areas around the Penang South Islands. Mangrove forests absorb 4 times more carbon than typical rainforests, and when matured are nature's answer to maintaining water quality and filtering pollutants. They also act as natural coastal defense to waves, storm surges, erosion and rising sea levels. Another initiative is the deployment of artificial reefs to cultivate corals, which is key to promoting marine life and conducive grounds for breeding. These ecological initiatives will bring benefits to the local fishing community as they replenish and improve the fish stock. A dedicated navigation channel and 4 new jetties will be developed to allow local fishing boats safe and unrestricted access to the sea. The fishing community also stands to benefit from the economic transformation emerging from Penang South Islands. These Penang South Islands initiatives are positioned to better the livelihood of today's community and open new opportunities for the coming generations. Penang South Islands is planned to achieve a triple bottom line, where ecology, community, and economy work to strengthen each other. The islands are enabled for a sustainable future, where citizens are empowered to preserve and protect their surroundings through local production and treatment of energy, food, water, and waste. Multi-modal networks will connect residents and visitors to over 450 acres of open space and a host of diverse public destinations. The flagship Green Tech Park will bring Penang's economy into the forefront of the E&E industry, comprising spaces for E&E fabrication, research and development, and incubation across multiple business scales from Fortune 500 companies and local SMEs. The heart of the island will be the focal point for the public, where the workforce, residents, tourists, and the community at large can engage with public spaces and each other. To enable the transition to Industry 4.0, high-value amenities and open spaces will be incorporated to attract the best minds and create places where workers can come together to share and nurture the next generation of ideas. This is forecast to bring in foreign direct investments worth 200 billion ringgit, opening up 300,000 new job opportunities for the people of Penang. Penang South Island will be a cultural, economic, and ecological capital for Malaysia, Southeast Asia, and the rest of the globe, celebrating nature, heritage, and innovation that categorizes Penang. Penang South Islands, the future is here.